I'm a state court prosecutor. I'm not a federal prosecutor. I'm not a tribal court prosecutor. I'm a state court prosecutor. And I'm really glad to have you here, but I'm also sorry that you have to be here because you are obviously impacted by the McGirt decision. And I felt like after McGirt, I felt as though our political leadership would have been ready to respond to what I consider to be a fairly significant crisis for businesses and individuals and victims in this state. I've waited long enough. And so I called this town hall just because somebody needs to get this word out so that you all can know what to do about it. So I'm going to talk with you a little bit about what this is all about so you can have an idea how to ask questions to the people who can make the decisions that need to be made. So this is how it used to work, right? This is the system that all of us know and believe how it worked, right? Police respond to a crime. They then investigate that crime. They follow up and do follow-up interviews. They write reports. They make an arrest. And then the prosecutor prosecutes, right? That's the way you all, for the last, the entirety of your life, through the history of Oklahoma, that's how it worked, right? But that has changed. And where it's changed is there's now a fracture in the middle of where it gets investigated and who's going to be doing the prosecuting. And so what happened? What was that? You know that. McGirt happened, right? And what McGirt did, it was a decision by the United States Supreme Court that in essence said that the Creek Nation on the east side of the Oklahoma, that reservation was never disestablished, meaning that they had full authority to continue to exercise jurisdiction, that the state of Oklahoma could not exercise jurisdiction in criminal cases where you had Native American interest in it. So in essence, the Supreme Court basically said the eastern half of Oklahoma is unlike the western half, and literally like any other part of the United States of America. The situation we're living in right now is unlike any other situation in this country.